Okay, what we have here is a MerCruiser outdrive, and what we're going to do in this video is give it two simple tests. First thing we want to do is we want to spin the U-joint, make sure the gears are working and the propeller spins when it's supposed to. But something more important is we want to check the gear ratio. This has a gear ratio of 1.65, and that would be good for 6-cylinder motors as well as your smaller V8s. By the way, that's not just my opinion. I have a link that recommends that. So if you're interested, just email me and I can forward you the link if you'd like to read it for yourself. Now, how we're going to test this is we're going to spin the U-joint one complete rotation and then 65% of a rotation, and that will give us one complete rotation on the propeller. So I put two visual aids here so you can follow in the camera. A white dot here in the U-joint and a red piece of tape here on the propeller. So let me go ahead and put it in gear, and then we'll do it. I like to think of this kind of like a clock. That kind of helps me get this 65%. This would be 9 o'clock, and if you cut a clock in half starting at 9 o'clock, it would end at 3 o'clock. Well, we want 65%, so that would put us at roughly about 4 o'clock. I hope that's not too confusing, but it's the best I could come up with off the top of my head. So let me get it in gear, and I'm going to start spinning. And you can see there's one complete rotation, and now we're going to get the 65%, which is right about there. And you could see from the red tape, the propeller did do one complete rotation. And if I spin the outdrive around, you will see the white dot is at about 4 o'clock. Let me try and make sure the camera can pick that up. You can see the white dot right there. It is at 4 o'clock. So now we confirmed that it is a rotation of 1.65. It is very important that you make sure you have the right outdrive for the right motor. Another thing with this outdrive is it has been painted over several times. The original plaque right here is missing. The serial number is still here. It's very difficult to read, but that makes it that much more important that you want to confirm it is the right gear ratio. Another thing I would like to do is I'd like to put it in reverse and spin it so that way you can see the reverse gears are working. And there you see that it is spinning in reverse. So there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and ask. Thank you.